Hello everyone, welcome to our next tutorial where we'll create another page called tutorials where when we click this button here or this card here, it will redirect to that page. So based on the previous version of our site, which is the HTML and CSS version, we use table which has YouTube videos of these tutorials. We'll do the same for this version, but instead we'll make use of the tables offered by Bootstrap. So first, let's go to brackets and create a new file and name it tutorials.html. And then go to the subscribe file, select all the code, copy it, and then paste it on the tutorials.html. What we need here is just the navbar and the footer. So let's collapse this form code, select all of it, and delete. When we save and preview, we now have navbar and the footer. So in our Bootstrap documentation, let's search for table. Let's scroll down and look for table style na gusto natin. This one looks good. So pwede kayong pumili ng kung anong style na gusto nyo. Just click on the copy button. For me, I'll use this one sa taas. Since dalawa tong table sa preview, I'll just copy this first part here. So I'll copy and then paste it in here. Again, apply proper indentation. Now let's preview. So now we have this table. What's next is for us to edit the table. First, we need to add container for this one. So let's add a class. Here, let's add space. Since this table already has a class called table, let's add space and then type container. And then a padding on top of bottom of 5 and a margin on the top and bottom of 5 as well. Since kailangan lang natin ng tatlong column, I'll delete this first table heading here. This one, let's change this into playlist. Second column is topics. And the third one is video. So same ito, let's delete this table headings here. Hindi natin yun kailangan. So let's save and preview first. So naka-center na yung table natin with the new headings. I wanted to add border. So let's check the documentation for the border on tables. Let's search for border. So let's just add this table-bordered class. Let's copy this and then paste it in our class in here. So let's check, save and preview. So now our table has borders. So first, our playlist is MySQL, and this should be with a row span of 3. Tapos ito, tanggalin na natin. Tsaka ito. For the topic, this one should be Intro to Database. And the video. So let's go to the YouTube channel of IT Toolbox. And search for IT Toolbox. Make sure there's space, IT space Toolbox. And then click on it. Let's go to playlist. And then for the MySQL, and then let's click on this share button and then embed. And then click on copy. So you already know how to do this, right? You've already embedded a video from the previous playlist. So I'll just copy the code and paste it here. So I'll save and preview. So now we have the video. I want this video in the center, so I'll add a class in this table data of text-center. Save and preview. Ngayon, naka-center na yung video natin. So as you can see, ganun kadali mag-design using Bootstrap. As long as alam mo lang yung name ng class na gagamitin mo. Next is, we'll copy these 2 table datas and then paste it here. Oops. Proper indentation. Also, another one here. Next is to change the topic for this second table row to how to install XAMPP. Oops, let's remove this height and width property also here and for the last row as well. Let's go and check for the second tutorial. Click on the second video on the playlist. Go to share, embed. Let's pause the video first. Share, embed, and then click on copy. And next is to paste it here. Remove the width and height. For the third one, let's change this into 3, how to create database. Then go back to YouTube, click on the third video on the playlist, pause the video, go to share button, embed, and then copy. Then paste it here. Control save and preview. Oops, we forgot to remove the width and height property. Remove this one. Okay, so let's save and preview. So ngayon, we have 3 embedded videos. So same process kung gusto nyo pang dagdagan. As you can see, mas mabilis gumawa ng table, right? Using Bootstrap kasi may styling na. Again, all you have to do is to use those classes. The last thing is we need to center this table headings. Let's go back to brackets and add a class for the table heading of text-center. apply it to the rest of the table headings. Copy, paste it here. So save and preview. Now, naka-center na yung table headings natin. So I think that's it. That's how simple it is to add a table into your page. So if you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.